Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install GitLab Enterprise Edition on Debian 10. This is my server information. Operating system Debian 10, server IP address 10.66, 100.9, RAM 4GB, but I recommend your production environment must be use 8GB. Disk space 50GB. Service GitLab Enterprise Edition. Now I checking my server version and IP address Debian 9, and this is my server IP address. Then check hostess file. Hostess file must be add your server IP address and fully FQDN into this file. Then must be server update and upgrade using this command. Update and upgrade done. Now download auto script bash script for GitLab Enterprise Edition, GitLab -EE, that means Enterprise Edition. The repository is set up. You can now install package. Now run this install GitLab Enterprise Edition command. It will take up to 30 or 40 minutes for download GitLab Enterprise Edition, and this is file size 1013 MB. Now thank you for installing GitLab. This is GitLab logo. Installation done. Now reconfigure GitLab CTL, reconfigure. Now running reconfigure. GitLab reconfigured, done. Now start GitLab CTL service. Yes, all service is running. Okay. Now GitLab status. All status running properly. Now I reset root password using GitLab Rails console option production. Now login Rails console and now reset root password. Select user root and user password. Is password must be using your own password and confirm password. User save, that means save password. And now I try to log in. Web access, username root and password is password. First time you see is loading time, but don't worry, please wait. After loading you can access your GitLab access. Yes, now coming up, and try login using username root and password. If you see 502 error, this is RAM issue. Now try login using root user and password is password. Yes, now successfully login. Root is administrator user. Go to preference. You can use any theme. Create SSH key, email, password, profile. You can change your public avatar. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.